Hey everyone, welcome back to Godot. In this video, we're going to be going over a brand new Humble Bundle, which is the Urban Life 500 plus asset mega bundle by Kitbash 3D. So as you can see, there's the apartment interior, retail stores, police department, and a bunch of cars, SUVs, trucks, delivery trucks, school bus, cops, and so on. I'm going to go ahead and purchase this. Just note it is $30 to get every single item in this bundle, and it does support Girls Who Code. And let's go ahead and open these in Unreal Engine and try this out. So when you do purchase it and you do click redeem, it's going to lead you to this page. You're just going to go ahead and add this to the cart. And then when you check out, you're going to enter in the code they gave you on Humble Bundle. And now with the assets launched in my Unreal Engine project, we're going to be starting with the apartment interiors. So you might be tempted to go to the levels to actually see all the scenes, but there is a ton, and this is probably just due to level streaming and stuff and trying to keep things optimized. But what you actually want to do is head over to blueprints, go to interiors, and you can just go ahead and drag these buildings in like I've done so in kind of some random order. And now we can actually just go ahead and take a look at these buildings. So you can see very hyper realistic, really nice looking asset. We have this beautiful outdoor patio. And yeah, I can't really get over how realistic this looks, even in just a default lighting. And then when we go inside the apartment door, we have this wine cellar. The lights are kind of going crazy there. I might have to disable lumen or maybe some exponential height fog or something. We got a laundry room over here with some trash can, a coat rack, a light switch, and we have a little kitchen over there. But first, let's check out this bathroom with the shower. Overall, really, really nice, super hyper realistic looking asset. This kind of looks like an ArcViz project. And we have the kitchen here, very nice. We got some cool looking, very modern looking cabinets. And let's see what is in here. Oh, I didn't even go over the living room, did I? So we have this nice looking couch, really fancy, really high end stuff looking. And we have this curved stairs. Let's go ahead and see what's up here. We have this little library nook. Let's go in here. We got the bedroom and closet in here. And I'm guessing there's a bathroom. Yes, a master bathroom. Another guest room. And oh, I guess this is the master bedroom because we have a really nice balcony here to oversee our great checkered pattern ground. Beautiful. And a floating building. Now let's check out the next one. So this is kind of the more brick themed, very cozy vibes with the wooden floors. We got a little workout place right here, as well as a piano and a whole music shop over here too. This person's probably really tight on space apparently, but he has all this room for a bathroom. Goddamn, that's that's huge. We got this really compact kitchen. Kind of looks like one of those IKEA model sections. And then this brand new company laptop by Fud Cup or X Media. Wait a second. Isn't that a real company? All right. Oh, that just goes outside. We got these nice vinyls on the wall. And the bedroom up here, along with Metal Man. And we have this next one, kind of like in a stone wall. Oh, it's a whole art gallery. Okay. Whole art gallery with an upstairs and a little bedroom. Pretty cute. Very nice. And over here, we have kind of like a house of some sort. It looks like the bottom of a house. Balcony, bedroom, and we have the living room. Okay, call me crazy. This kind of looks like the house layout from Dexter. I don't know why this is what it reminds me of. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Like Rita's house. Rip. We have this microwave with very intense reflections. Can we go inside? Actually, nothing here. I've been scammed. Got a nice coffee, a little coffee thing. Cool sink. Let's go check out the other rooms. Another laundry room, trash can. Yeah, overall, these are some pretty hyper realistic assets. Now let's take a look at the next asset. Now let's check out the store interior. So I did the exact same thing where I just created a new map and just dragged in the blueprints of the interiors. And the first one we have is this surf shop with a neon sign, some skateboards. Looks very Hawaiian. We also have this really retro computer. This actually looks really, really nice. I love this. It's kind of reminded me of BMO from Adventure Times. We have this green keyboard, chairs in the ground. I guess that's fine. Oh, wait. Let me move the floor. Oh, that makes so much sense. Okay. We have really nice flooring now. We have a little... It looks like an ice cream sandwich, but I'm guessing it's just probably just a seating thing. We have this nice disco ball, some cool posters. Oh, you know what? This might actually be a book. Never mind. Maybe it is an ice cream sandwich. I have no idea. Some cool looking wooden curtains, glass exterior, and overall, really, really cool store. Let's check out the next one. So this is more music themed. A bunch of vinyls, flickering walls, a record shop because it says records, bunch of instruments, an amp, and yeah, let's take a look at the next. So this is a bike shop. Okay, pretty cool. Tons of bikes. Make your realistic simulator here. Some water bottles, clothes, shoes, merch, and so on. And we also have a clothing shop, which kind of looks like something you'd see in a mall. There are these red curtains here that just go outside. And we have a little changing room right here. Pretty cool. And a mirror. And another changing room on this side. All right, nice. And let's take a look at this. Much fancier store. Kind of looks like a high-end brand. But yeah, high-end clothes. I don't even know if it's high-end. It just looks like this kind of looks like the YSL logo or something. Just called KB instead. The inside looks really fancy, so I'm guessing it's an expensive shop. We got some changing rooms. And yeah, overall pretty cool. And now we have the police departments. I'm just going to go ahead and delete the floor again just so I don't accidentally mistake the flooring for this. So we have the entrance. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside. This is probably why no work ever gets done. It looks really nice. It just kind of looks like the exterior's inside. Oh, you know what? Okay. No, I get it. This is supposed to be the outside and you're supposed to plop one of these in. Holy, what the? This is a whole... I just realized this is an entire, like, parking lot, too. All right, so let's take a look inside. Empty? Empty. All right, okay, and this is the stuff that you can plop inside. So you can stuff this office space inside. PC setups with folders. This desk over here with this phone. And, okay, I see. So we have this little map. A bunch of targets here. Did you guys notice that? Rust in peace is crazy. We got a time. A huge security setup. 6 monitor. Nice. Probably still compiling. A little prison entrance. Talk to your best friends who got locked up. And we got actual little prisons here. Metal toilets. And so on. And then we also have this little, looks like a visitor or interrogation room. And that pretty much covers it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching Code of the Road. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.